More business ideas for you to start this year if you are in the UK. I am so excited to share this video with you guys because part 1 did so well. I had no idea how much you guys would find it so helpful, and I actually have been doing a little bit of research and I came across another website that I think is going to be a game changer for you guys when it comes to finding manufacturers and ideas for small businesses. So stay tuned because I'm going to hop into my screen and show you guys the website and free examples of businesses that you could start using the manufacturers listed. When it comes to manufacturers, I went through so much trouble trying to find how I was going to get my products made from scratch. So definitely, if you don't know my story, check out some of these videos. I'll leave them in the description box down below just to share the full story because I won't get into it in this video. But I actually found manufacturers and suppliers on Alibaba.com, but those are obviously based in China and there is amazingly high shipping fees right now, long lead times, and it's very high quantity based. So if you are new and you're just starting a small business, you probably don't have the funding to be able to buy 1,000, 10,000, 20,000 pieces. This is when I had to do my due diligence and research, and I had to travel around the country here in the UK just to find good UK based manufacturers so that I didn't have to pay the high shipping costs and have to purchase so many quantities. Now it does cost a bit more just because you are purchasing here from the UK, but in the long run it's going to save you time, it's going to save you back and forth with samples, and trust me, it's just going to be a little bit easier for you, especially if you are completely new to this industry. I managed to find you guys 2 options that you can use here in the UK, so let's just get into it. Okay guys, so we are back and I am on the wholesaler.co.uk, which is the website that was featured in the original part 1 of this video series. As you can see here, there are a load of different suppliers, from fashion accessories, drop shippers, clothing, gifts, hobbies, toys and games, and in this video I have gone ahead and gone to the clothing section. So if you want to start a clothing boutique, I know on Instagram there are loads of up-and-coming clothing brands and clothing boutiques that sell on the same kind of fashion items that like your Pretty Little Thing or Boohoo would sell, and you just kind of put the price up, you put your own label on it, you put really nice pretty packaging, and then you sell it on. So it's really down to your marketing that will actually help you stand out within this industry. So this will be buying actually ready-made clothes, not completely making your own clothes. I clicked on to boutique wear and it has shown me 4 different options actually, and I went ahead and clicked most of them, but I really did prefer this one. So this is called Parisian Wholesale. I like how here you can go to have more details. It shows you some images. It's similar to Alibaba in that way. It gives you their phone number, their address, and then it just gives you like some little checkpoints as well. No minimum order, and it tells you the carriage free order value as well. And you can actually contact them via this website. This is their actual normal website because what I noticed is they actually sell clothes themselves. Strange. So imagine like Pretty Little Thing having a wholesale website, which they might do. I have no idea. But we're going to go to their wholesale site. And this is what we have. So you actually have to register to even be able to see the prices of things. Luckily, I signed up for you guys just for this video, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. I wanted to show you guys how much it actually costs to order an item. So with this option, what you get is the unit price is £9.77, excluding VAT. And the pack price is from £29.31, so it's actually even on sale. And what's actually interesting is you can do pay in installments, which Alibaba, unless they've updated it, that's something that isn't available, which would really be handy if you are, you know, a new small business owner. So I've just gone ahead and looked at these basic jeans, and as you can see, choose a color. You've got sizes from 6 to 14, and then you have to choose a packet ratio. So that would mean 1 6, 1 8, 1 10, and no 12 and no 14. This one would mean like 1 of each size. So I'm going to go ahead and put 1 of each size. So there's 5 units and 1 pack just to start us off. So I'm going to add this to bag and see how much it actually costs. So for 5 pairs of jeans, you are having to pay £58.62. So I'm going to go ahead and do my calculations. So that is 58.62 divided by 5. So that means they cost £11.72 per pairs of jeans. This is also including the shipping, I believe, so you won't have to pay extra for shipping. Now, if we go on their website and see what they're actually selling it for, they're actually selling it originally for £32 and now it's gone down to £22.40. So you would be making a profit if you were to buy it in wholesale. You're getting it for about £11 and then you can sell it for £32. So that's good. So that is just one option for you guys from that website. But I actually found a second website that I'm going to share with you guys now that I think you'll really find helpful. Next, guys, this one right here is the one I've been excited to show you guys. And this is called makeitbritish.co.uk. So this is another manufacturer directory, and they have actually some really nice articles on here for advice, so I definitely would give it a try. And then you've got a few different options here. They don't have as much as what the other wholesale website had, so it's a bit less, but you know, a directory is useful for us here in the UK. So I went ahead and looked at a health and beauty section because I haven't covered like starting a beauty brand on here. And I found that they had this company called Evolution Fragrance House. And on this website, they actually share their social media accounts, which I really like, their website, a bit about the company, and then also shares their lead time and the minimum order quantity. So for this one, you would have to order £100 items. When I started my business 7 years ago, you had to pay for this kind of information because I remember looking for these websites online and you would have to register but pay to even get access to see this. So this is a huge improvement and really, really helpful. Let's have a look at their website. You can actually create your own fragrance from scratch, which is really cool. They show you the process of how it works. Prices start from £29.50 per unit, excluding the packaging. So this means that you will have to charge a lot for your perfume when it's done. They even do stickers, bottles. This is making me want to start a perfume brand. So yeah, this is just another option for you guys to try out. And I also tried out the accessories manufacturers option and came across quite a few for accessories. This one is a factory in Somerset and it seems as if like they would actually make what you would like from scratch. So yeah, they cut, make and trim. So if you're looking to make hats, as you can see, they've got little like glasses cases and stuff. This is one option for you too. If this video gave you any value, all I ask in return from you guys is to hit the like button, subscribe, definitely comment down below if you have any questions, and check out my community tab for daily posts. Bye guys!